Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Lava mobile guys sound vibration setting, and today video title is guys how to set a ringtone in Lava mobile. Friends, you want to set ringtone, you want to use ringtone setting in Lava mobile 7. How to use ringtone setting, how to set ringtone one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to use sound vibration setting in Lava mobile. Open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, open your phone sound and vibration setting. After turn on sound and vibration setting friends, you want to set ringtone, you want to set notification ringtone, you want to set alarm ringtone, you can set. Second friends, you can adjust your volume, media volume, call volume, ringtone volume, alarm volume, you can increase and you can decrease. Friends, open your phone setting, phone ringtone setting, select your ringtone sound and you can set ringtone. Example friends, I will select this move ringtone, and friends you can set, you can see friends ringtone will set, and I can increase ringtone volume and I can decrease from here. So like that friends, you can set ringtone, you can use ringtone setting in Lava mobile. And friends, you have downloaded ringtone, you want to use custom ringtone in Lava mobile. Last option friends, click here add ringtone option, select your custom ringtone sound, and you can use your custom ringtone sound. Friends, already I have this custom ringtone sound. And friends, you want to change your phone ringtone, so friends you can change phone ringtone. So example friends, I will use bird ringtone, okay option, and friends ringtone will change, you can check. So like that way you can set and change ringtone in your Lava mobile. And if you click here, you can set notification ringtone, and if you click here, you can set alarm ringtone. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.